Have you ever imagined what the town of Ekwuluobia looks like? Under the leadership of Charles Soludo, the town of Ekwuluobia is being transformed into an urban center with modern markets, parks and improved connectivity, positioning it as Anambra's fourth city. In the heart of Aguata local government area in Anambra state lies a town whose story reflects resilience, ambition and transformation. This is Ekwulobia, once a quiet crossroad, now a bustling commercial and social center. Its journey is not just about roads and buildings, but about people, culture and the determination to grow. Long before traffic lights and commercial buses, Ekwulobia was known for its rich cultural heritage, a town deeply rooted in Igbo tradition, guided by communal values, respect for elders, and a strong sense of identity. Farming was the backbone of early life in Ekwulobia. Yam, cassava, cocoyam and palm produce sustained families and fueled local trades. In those days, life was simple. Everyone knew each other, and market days brought everyone together. Ekuluobia's location made it a natural meeting point, connecting neighboring towns and traders. That strategic position would later shape its identity. As population grew and trade expanded, Uklobia began to change. The market, once modest, transformed into one of the busiest commercial centers in the region. Commerce did more than bring money. It attracted settlers, created jobs, and positioned Uklobia as the economic engine of Aguata. With economic growth come the need for better infrastructure. Roads were expanded, transport network improved. Ekwulobia began to take on the shape of a modern town. Before, these roads were narrow. Now, movements are faster and business is better. Schools, hospitals, and banks has followed. Ekwulobia was no longer just a town. It is becoming an urban center. Access to education and healthcare has improved, shaping a new generation with broader opportunities. Eklulobia's future is set largely in the hands of its youth. Educated, innovative and ambitious young people should redefine what is possible. They need to build businesses here, not leave. Ekwulobia has potential. With the right investment in education, technology and infrastructure, the town can become a model of balanced development. Eklulobia's transformation is not complete. It is a living story, written every day by traders, farmers, students, leaders and families. From a quiet crossroads to a vibrant urban center, Ekwulobia stands as a symbol of growth rooted in identity. The challenge ahead is clear: to grow wisely, to protect culture, to build a future where progress and community work hand by hand. This is Uklobia, a town rising with a continuous story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and leave us a feedback. See you in our next video.